is it hot? Is it too hot? Ooh, hold on. Hold on. I'm fighting. I'm fighting. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, ladies and gents. Today is Self-Care Sunday. Just me tuning in here. Okay, so we are going to make an at-home foot bath. I got this from the 99-cent store. I just wanted it, because you know they have different sizes, but I just needed it to be long enough to fit my foot. And I would put my foot in here to show y'all, but yeah, y'all see. It's pretty large. So these are the things I'm going to be using. Some Epsom salt. Epsom. Some peppermint oil. I got this from the beauty supply store. It's 100% too, so not a lot. Some vinegar. If you have, what's that called? ACV, you can do that. But these are the things I'm using. Let's get started with some water, which I'm boiling. Now I will be slicing this. I'm gonna cut it in half. In half I will squeeze in there. Or do I want to squeeze? We'll see. A little squeeze, and then I'm gonna slice them to be cute, you know, to be cute. Just like this. And then this is the part I'm gonna squeeze. I don't know if I'm gonna need any more slices. But the water is currently boiled. So we're gonna pour it in there. Ooh, the acid from the vinegar, y'all, is strong. Also, that Epsom salt was pretty strong. I would get some lavender one. This one, we'll see. All right, here's the oil. I don't put a lot of this because this is strong. When it's 100%, y'all be careful. That's cool for me. Maybe one more. Now for the water pouring part, I recommend putting the container where you're gonna want to soak, so you don't have to move. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and be careful, all of those things mixed together are pretty strong. I opened my window, but anyways, here's the for cutes. You know. Okay, so I almost forgot to show you the current condition of my feet. Oh my gosh, they're ashy because I didn't put lotion on them because I knew I was gonna do this. But okay, as you can see, yeah, we're pretty, this is not good. And then also, I don't know if you guys can see this, but look, my toenail is like growing another nail under here. So this is gonna come off. This one is really already, oh, we're gonna see y'all. But we're gonna transform these. Yikes. Oh, that's not a cute angle of my feet, but just know in regular life, these are pretty cute feet. For the fateful moment. It's pretty warm. I mixed it with cool water too. Ooh, is it hot? Is it too hot? Ooh, hold on. Hold on. I'm fighting. I'm fighting. Ooh. Ooh. My foot is still hanging, but even in those two little dots, like, I was like, oh, my foot feels good. And I started rubbing it, soft already, and that's just two little dots. But we're gonna soak for 30 minutes, so yeah.
By the way, if you need more time, just say snooze when your timer is ringing, and I'll add another 5 minutes.
I used that to add some cooler water, but it's feeling good. Ooh. Okay, so the timer has went off, and I'm gonna pull it out. Lemon. Oh my gosh, the way they feel, guys. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna lightly pat them dry, and then I'm gonna get to work on my heels and all this, okay? Self-care Sundays is excellent. I don't think I have very very much like grout or whatever I'm supposed to be able to get up with this. Like, nothing is really coming up. My feet are pretty soft at the base anyway. I'm gonna try. And you can also go between and try this one too, right? Let's see. Oh, hold on. Or was this coming up with the other thing? Just scrub to your heart's content. You know, the rougher your feet are, maybe scrub a little more. If your feet are pretty smooth, you might not need to scrub for very long. So I just heated these towels up with just hot water. I'm gonna wring it out and then wrap my feet. Look at my feet, guys. Yeah, so I just want to make sure I get, you know, as much of them wrapped as possible. Especially the toes, especially because what we're gonna do to the nails, you know. So let that heat. And if you guys were wondering, of course, my self-care Sundays include football. Sad because I wanted Grace to win, but anyway, back to what we got going on here. Okay, so I just took the towel off, and now we're gonna get working on these toenails, honey. Let's start with this one now. Look at it. It's very soft. Earlier it was hurting. Ow, it's starting to hurt. Nice. Where's the camera? Y'all, this is my nail. Yikes, so strange. Okay, let's do this one. Hopefully this one doesn't hurt too. He's fighting here. Not a cut. Yikes. Okay. We're gonna get some of this together. This one, I was gonna say this one's better. No. Gosh, it's so weird. Like, has that happened to you guys? Now I'm gonna file. My file. See, much better. This is after the file. They've been filed now. It doesn't look as bad as you'd expect for my whole nail to have come off, right? Okay, now we're gonna dust them off and start moisturizing. so much better. They look so cuter. Oh, they look cute again. Hey, y'all nails. I'm gonna do one last thing. See how they come out? Sticky. Or did I rip too much? I did rip too much. I took the sticky with me. Okay, so it's the reveal. Let me face ya. Okay, but I do want to do it on here. It's wet. And we're gonna massage what's left onto the feet. That's what the instructions said. Oh. You can see the moisturizer. Okay, so just took it off, and you can see the moisturizer on here. Now I'm gonna rub this in, and I'm going to massage it with some of my oil concoction, which you know from my hair videos. It's peppermint oil, castor oil, and one more, avocado oil. Now massage. I'm gonna put a few drops and just really just rub. Sneak peek. So this is the conclusion. Look how cute. So, like I was saying, they look so cute.